Hello friends, we have given a point. What should be your vision for Bharat, Mata Bharat? I think that India facing different types of problems, and first problem is this, that we should work with honesty. We must tell our students, our children, the values of life, values of Bharat Mata, values of India, and so they can work with honesty. Today, our thousand and thousand lakhs of people gets up early in the morning and they do not have any kind of, they have to gather in some places where they in search of work. It is our bad luck. Same, I think that education should be not free, but education should be not so costly, so that a son of a farmer can read also. And that's all. Next.
I hope India should be free from pollution, and many natural resources should be saved, so that we should live and breathe pure, and our generation become a long life as a human resource.
I think every citizens follow the rules of law, and every citizen have the right path of the progress of country, and we have a great economic growth. So India may be the prosperous country, I think so.
My India is facing so many problems, such as problem of unemployment, problem of casteism, and problem of asparsata. It may be possible when these problems are removed from my country.
I wanted to remove discrimination, caste racism, and we must follow the duties of our patriotism and national building.
In my opinion, first of all, I have to tell every citizen of our country that you are not only a member of this country, and my country is not a piece of land. My country is motherland, and it is mother of ours. First, we should do at a bit. It may be every area, every region of our country. We may be engineer, doctor, or teacher, but first of all, we are a citizen of our country. So we should serve in every area with honesty, politely, and always we should remember that is our mother and mother and mother. Thank God.
Very happy to see this, hearing this, and I think that where we are, we have to work with honesty. Otherwise, we have to face different kind of challenges in future. We also tell our students, tell our sons, daughters, and neighbors that if we do not work with honesty, if we shall not work with honesty, we have to face many problems in future, like water, like corruption. We consider corruption should be abolished, but who are corrupt? We are corrupt, you are corrupt, everybody is corrupt. We are thief, but we are honest that we are not getting chance to steal something, and so we are honest. That's all for this.